Amid the ongoing government shutdown, a pivotal moment unfolded in the legal arena as a federal judge intervened to halt the Trump administration's plans to lay off workers. This decision, handed down by Judge Susan Ilston, has significant implications for the affected employees and the political landscape. But here's where it gets controversial. The judge's ruling, issued on Wednesday, temporarily blocked the administration's attempt to terminate workers during the shutdown, citing politically motivated and hasty decisions. The judge's concern was twofold: the immediate impact on employees and the potential long-term consequences of these actions. The administration's rationale for the layoffs, which began on Friday, was met with scrutiny, with furloughed workers unable to access their work emails and no HR support. The timing and execution of these layoffs raised red flags. The judge's sharp questioning of the assistant U.S. attorney highlighted the apparent lack of consideration for the human cost of these actions. It's very much ready, fire, aim on most of these programs, and it has a human cost, she said. It's a human cost that cannot be tolerated. The American Federation of Government Employees and other federal labor unions had sought Ilston's intervention, arguing that the firings were an abuse of power and an attempt to punish workers. They claimed that the administration was using the shutdown as a distraction from its own controversial actions. The judge's decision to grant a temporary restraining order was a powerful statement, suggesting that the evidence presented would ultimately prove the layoffs to be illegal and beyond the administration's authority. This ruling has sparked a debate about the balance of power between the executive branch and the judiciary. While the White House referred inquiries to the Office of Management and Budget, which did not respond immediately, the unions celebrated the decision as a victory for workers' rights. The shutdown, now in its third week, has been a contentious issue, with Democrats demanding healthcare subsidies and Republicans refusing to negotiate until these demands are met. The Trump administration's focus on military pay and immigration crackdowns while laying off federal workers in health and education has further complicated the situation. The judge's intervention adds a layer of complexity to this political stalemate, leaving many to wonder how this will impact the ongoing negotiations and the future of federal workers. And this is the part most people miss. The judge's ruling is a reminder that the judiciary plays a crucial role in checking the power of the executive branch. It also raises questions about the administration's decision-making process during times of crisis. As the shutdown continues, the impact on federal workers and the broader political landscape remains to be seen. Will this ruling hold up in the face of further legal challenges? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. The power of the judiciary to protect the rights of citizens and workers cannot be understated. The comments section below is where the real discussion begins. Do you agree with the judge's decision? Or do you think the administration has the right to make these layoffs during a government shutdown? Share your thoughts and let's keep the conversation going.